Hello drum fam. Do you want to improve your playing in 2021? Do you want to be a better drummer in 2021? I have some tips for you. Let's get started. Hey YouTube, we're back. We have another video for you on how to improve your drum playing in 2021. The name of this video is How to Improve Your Drum Playing in 2021. The first thing I want to do is just say thank you for supporting the channel. If you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button below, share with a friend, help us reach 1,000 subscribers. All right, got that out the way. Now we're going to move on. Our first tip on how to improve your drum playing in 2021. I want you to play as often as possible to songs that you already know. Play as often as possible to songs that you already know. This is going to get you into the habit of listening, as we talked about in the previous video, listening to the other instruments in the song, using your dynamics hopefully, and giving you an opportunity to play for an extended period of time at a certain tempo. So that's the first thing. All right, play as often as you can to songs that you already know. The second tip I'm going to give to you today is play along with a click track. And I'm going to give you an example of what that sounds like in here in just a second. Okay, we are back. Tip number 3, practice different tempos. I want you to practice tempos that are moderate, practice tempos that are kind of fast, and practice tempos that are slow. Okay, this gives you a variety, a range of tempo playing that you should be able to apply to any live situation when you're playing with a band or a group. Tip number 4, I want you to practice using a practice pad. This gives you the opportunity to play even if it's late at night, early in the morning, if you have neighbors. They can't hear your practice pad. You know, I've had mine for quite a while, a little old school on this one, but play on the practice pad. You know, it gets your wrist right. You can practice your long stroke roll, your short rolls like your 5s, your 6s, your single strokes, flams, paradiddles, triplets, flam triplets. Whatever it is, just get on your practice pad and practice a little bit more, okay? Especially when you don't have an environment that's conducive to you playing acoustic drums at your home. So believe me guys, it's going to make you better. All right? Good. That's tip number 4. Well guys, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed our 4 tips today on how to improve your drum playing in 2021. It's been great so far guys. Thank you for all your support. All my friends in the US, Italy, Greece, everywhere else around the world. Hey guys, thank you. Can't do it without you. Hey, one last thing before you go. If you haven't already done so, how about clicking the like button and the subscribe button? Click on the little bell notification over here. That way, as I put out more videos, you'll be notified and you can watch them. Thanks again for your support. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.